Hi guys, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different ways that you can generate your first $1,000 of income online from your YouTube channel. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video is that I kind of feel that a lot of people still think that making money online is this elusive, mysterious thing that is just either not realistic or they don't think it's for them because they wouldn't be able to figure out how to do it. And honestly, I just kind of want to simplify the process and show you some ways, some tangible, actionable ways that you can really make money online by sharing your passions, by just being you. Yes, it does take work, it does take effort, but you might really enjoy it. And working online can really provide you with a lot of freedom, flexibility, and enable you to work when you want, where you want, provided that you have a camera, a phone, and a computer, which is pretty cool. These 3 online revenue streams are actual ways that I make money, and so I can let you know that it is very real and it's very possible, very doable. It does take an open mind. It does take a willingness to put yourself out there and try something different and be willing to learn and grow as you go. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna make this video geared toward beginners to YouTube. So if you have not yet started a channel and you've been thinking about it and you want to explore the avenue of earning money from your channel and earning money online, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if you have a channel but it's kind of in its early stages and you haven't really made too many videos yet and you don't have a ton of subscribers yet, then I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about that as well. So you may have heard of Google AdSense and earning money based on clicks on your videos and based on, how many views you have. For beginners, I kind of like to think of that as the cherry on top. I'm going to discuss ways with you that you can earn. I'm using the arbitrary number of $1,000, and just think of that money that you'll make from the clicks on your videos as a cherry on top. As your channel grows and you start to get lots of views and you have lots of subscribers, then that can be a really lucrative way to earn money. You can make hundreds and thousands of dollars from your Google AdSense revenue, which is the clicks from the ads that you see on the screen when you're watching YouTube videos. But I'm going to talk about 3 other ways. All right, and one more quick thing I want to share with you. It is really, really, really important, in my opinion, that you choose something that you're passionate about. Something that you could talk about for hours without getting paid. Something that you genuinely love to share with other people, whether it be something that you're really talented at, like your music that you want to share with people, or you love to make people laugh and you have all of these ideas of comedy videos that you want to make on your channel. Or in this example, I'm going to use a made-up example of a girl named Samantha who wants to make a YouTube channel about eco-friendly natural beauty. So like DIY face masks and beauty products using essential oils and natural products. So moving on, we're assuming that Samantha's really passionate about this and she's just made her channel and she's told all of her family and friends about it and got as many people as she knows to subscribe and to ask all of those people to share her channel and her videos on their Facebook pages and on their social media accounts to help her grow her channel. So we're assuming Samantha's done all of that. Now, the first way that Samantha can generate her first $1,000 of income through her YouTube channel is by writing a list of all of the natural beauty products that she loves, that she's been using for years, or that she's seen and is really interested in trying. All things that are really linked up with her channel, with what she shares about, and that she feels that her audience would really love to learn about. What you're going to do is you're going to send an email to each of those companies individually and say something along the lines of, "Hello, my name is Samantha. I am really passionate about all natural beauty products. I love your product. I love what you stand for. I've been using your products for years and I would really like to collaborate with you on my YouTube channel." You can send a link of a video that you've made that is kind of on the same wavelength as what this company is selling, and tell them a little bit about the type of video that you'd like to film using their products. It could be a tutorial video, It could be an informative video. You can just get as creative as you want with this. And then also you're going to include your fee. In this example, it's going to be $100. And you may be thinking, well, I only have a few hundred subscribers. Would this company really pay me $100 to make a video for them using their products? Something I recommend doing is, why not include in the email that you will send them the link to the video and that they can feel free to share it on their social media as well. So not only are you going to be sharing it with your subscribers and Instagram followers and Facebook followers, but they can also use it on their blog, on their website, on their social media outlets, and they can share your video with their customers and or potential customers. So say Samantha sends out 30 of these emails and 10 of them hire her to make a video on her channel. There's $1,000. 10 videos, $100 each equals $1,000. And if you grow and you charge $200 for a video, then 5 videos equals $1,000. And now I'm going to share with you the next way. If you hear people who work online say, oh, I make money even in my sleep, or even when I'm out on the beach or on vacation, I'm earning money. This is likely one of the ways that they are doing that. And it is by affiliate sales and earning commission, earning income from clicks of someone who has purchased a product that they are promoting. So I'll kind of break it down a little bit. I'll actually use a personal example. So I, for years, have been telling everyone how much I love this WordPress theme called Divi that Alex introduced me to. I genuinely have been using it for years and I love it. I wasn't selling it. I didn't even think of that as an option, but I mentioned it in my YouTube videos. I recommend it to my friends and family. I told so many people about it because I was looking for so long for a theme that I could actually customize really, really well. So then after years of me using this theme and telling so many people about it who probably went out and purchased it, I just got the idea to reach out to them and ask them if they have a system where I could earn a commission when I, tell someone else about it, and that results in a sale. And they agreed, and that's one way that I earn money. So this thing that I was doing anyways, just because I was passionate about it and I was interested in it, is actually a way that I generate income. And so after that, my mind kind of just went, and I just thought of all the opportunities out there, all of the people I could reach out to, and companies and brands and businesses that I could reach out to that I love and use and I'm passionate about, that I could earn a commission from. And so I did that. So I have a video where I show people how to set up a WordPress site and use the Divi theme. And in order to set up a website, you need a hosting account. I've used Bluehost for years and years and years, since my very first website. And then I thought, I wonder if they have an affiliate program. So I reached out to them and they do. When I was showing people how to use the WordPress theme that I like called Divi, I also got an affiliate link for Bluehost because I needed to recommend a hosting account. That's the hosting account I use and it's always worked really well for me. So now I'm earning commission when people click to sign up for both of them. It's really important for me when I promote something, whether it leads to generating a sale or not, that it's something that I authentically, genuinely like, use, and or am interested in. For example, I've had companies reach out to me and ask me to sell diet pills on my channel and recommend diet pills. I've never in my life used diet pills, nor do I want to recommend that to other people. I'm all about healthy eating and getting nutrition from food. And I share that on my channel a lot. So just know that no matter what your passion is, it could be something really, really unique, a really specific niche. There will be companies that will be in line with what you share on your channel that you can work with. So the opportunities are limitless, and that is one of the really exciting things. So in the example of Samantha and her all natural eco beauty YouTube channel, she could reach out to companies and say, I really, really love your all natural bamboo towels. I use them every night after I wash my makeup off. They're so soft. I love them. Would you consider creating a referral link for me that I can share in my videos, in the description box of my videos, or on my blog, or on any form of social media, and I would be able to earn commission should that click lead to a sale. And a lot of businesses would be really happy to hear this and would love for you to promote their products and be willing to give you a commission. It could be a digital download file as well. So you could really love an ebook that changed your life, and you could reach out to the author and ask the author, would you be willing to create a link for me that would lead to a commission if the people that I recommend your book to buy it? So this really can go as far as you want it to. If you've got the passion to do it, if you've got the interest for it, your potential income with this is infinite. And I think that that's what's really, really exciting. So I hope this is giving you some ideas. All right, on to the third way of earning money online from your YouTube channel. It is to sell your own product, to promote your own product. In my example, I've sold digital download files. A few reasons that I particularly like this method are that there's no shipping involved. You can't run out of product because it's infinite. It's a digital download file and it's instant. The person gets it as soon as they purchase it. They don't have to wait. You can sell as many as people can buy from you. A while ago, I wrote and recorded an audiobook, and I sell that on my website. And so that's another way that you can generate sales. So your YouTube video, you can use the description box of your video to mention something that you've created, like an ebook or a course. Say you charge $50 for a digital download that you've created, and you sell 20 of them, there's $1,000. So there's a third option for earning income from your YouTube channel. And of course, when I say YouTube channel, that's just the way that I've done it. You can also use Facebook, you can also use Instagram, and any other social media app. I honestly think the opportunities are just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. There really is limitless potential. So if you felt overwhelmed by the idea of making money online, I hope this helped to bring some clarity to you. And you don't need to be the most computer savvy person in the world. You can learn as you go. The exciting thing with this is that there are no rules. There are no limits. You don't have to stick within one lane. You can try different things. You can see what works. You can see where you get the best results, what feels best to you, and what you truly enjoy. And so I just say get started. Don't let the fear stop you. Don't let the fact that you've never done it, or maybe the fact that you don't know anyone who earns an income online, stop you from pursuing it. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up to let me know. And I will see you in my next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.